Hi guys, this is Sherry,
And I'm Sally.
and today we're gonna do a mukbang for you from 7-Eleven. So we found these. We were watching this show on Netflix called Down to Earth with Zac Efron, and we found out that purified water is bad for you. So no more purified water for your ass. That is no good. So we came across these. It's called Liquid Death. We thought it was alcohol, but it's actually just water, mountain water to murder your thirst. And it's from the Australian Alps. So we'll be seeing how this tastes. Sally's already eating. We got some Cheez-It snacks. Bomb. Very bomb. Alright. Guess I'll just start digging in.
Well, we got from 7-Eleven.
Oh yeah, the 5 for $5 taquitos. We got the buffalo chicken wieners, spicy wings,
Lots of
fucking
nacho cheese.
flaming hot Cheetos with queso.
And everyone that knows us, we love our spice. Like,
Got the
tapatio,
jalapenos.
jalapenos, extra hot flaming Cheetos.
So we got some like interesting and fun stuff coming up. That's why we're in a hotel right now. Can't tell you guys exactly what's going on, but stay tuned. That's gonna be fun. We're excited and nervous for what's our challenge is gonna be, but what's life about with no challenge? Sally's just pigging out over there. Like, you gotta like lean my head down so you guys can see my face.
Are any of you guys dippers? You love making different sauce concoctions and dipping them with anything we can.
Definitely try adding like ketchup with black pepper, jalapeno juice, or pepperoni juice. Fire. This is jalapeno cream cheese chicken taquito. It's alright. Let me try this water. One of them was sparkling and the other one was just regular. But yeah, you guys should all check out Down to Earth on Netflix and watch it. It will change your perspective on Mother Earth, how we should be respecting her more, and just treating, you know, the nature that is given to us the right way. Cheers.
Also, do you guys eat your chicken wing to the bone, or do you guys just like take a bite and like, I'm good?
This is bomb. It's just literally like, you think you're drinking like soda or juice out of a can, but it's like you're literally just drinking water. Not bad at all. Sorry, I'm thirsty. Let me put this here for you guys.
Clean to the bone.
Alright, I don't know what I'm trying to get right now. So, obviously you guys don't know who we are. So maybe we should just do a little intro as we eat. Oh, here's the jalapeno. So, we're both twins. Obviously, I don't know if you guys can
Fraternal
tell.
twins, not identical, but
We look identical.
we're fraternal mirror image twins.
So, mirror image. I have a mole hair and she has it on the other side, like if I look at in the mirror. So we have moles like on certain parts of our body, and it. Yeah, I think I have one right here.
I think mine's right here.
And hers on that side. So we have that like throughout our bodies, like on our foot, bottom of the soles of our foot, back of our
Tramp
back.
stamp.
Tramp stamp. We're 27 years old. We're born in 93. 90s babies. Whoop whoop. We're your basic, like, average people. But I think we're pretty outgoing. We like to, you know, try a lot of new things. We're like native Vietnamese, so people always wonder where we're from.
We're actually Champa from Champa. We're Cham people.
Cham. For all the Cham people out there, Jen Yah Met Ho. We're also, well, I did say we're Vietnamese. We're a mixture of random things. We're pretty rare. I would say we're rare gems. Dolly is a baker.
Cake decorator. I own my own bakery. It's in Anaheim Hills. It's called the Gâteau Shop Bakery. If you're going towards Riverside on the 91, you exit Imperial, so we're in that area. If you're OC.
OC in the house.
We just opened up the bakery in May, right after all this quarantine stuff happened. So it's a pretty risky move for us to open up a business during this time, but you know, it's going pretty good. We're busy, which is nice. Getting our overhead and bills paid, anything we can to survive.
Are you done with your background?
I'm not as outgoing as this bitch.
She can be when she wants to, but she'd rather just be a bitch. Are we allowed to cuss on them?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know, I just feel like people blur. Try to make it family friendly.
Yeah, ain't
We ain't
family friendly.
We ain't family friendly.
Well, we love our family and friends.
You mean like
But we
content?
cuss a lot.
420 friendly right here. All my weed smokers. Holla at your girl. So, I don't know if it's my turn to talk, but anyways, I'm a nurse. I'm currently working as an LVN right now. And the LVN stands for Licensed Vocational Nurse. It's like a step below RN, registered nurse. And I'm actually in a nursing program right now. I have about a year till I graduate for my BSN, my RN BSN degree. Have fun with that. It's a lot of work, but I'm starting to see. Oh, we also got this other water, Skyra. It is Icelandic spring water. Interesting. When you watch Down to Earth, the first episode's in Iceland, and it's freaking badass what they can do out there with their resources. Yeah. Water's good. What else?
The chicken one is bomb. You guys
Yeah.
like 7-Eleven?
Honestly, is the closest thing we could get from where we're at right now. I hope we're not too boring. If you guys like watching us, please like and subscribe down below.
Give us a thumbs up.
We'll give you guys more daily feed of us.
We'll try, cause
We're pretty busy people,
yeah.
but we really enjoy watching YouTubers, so it's kind of like fun for us to just incorporate ourselves, even if we're not famous or get famous. It's the fun that we have doing this, if that makes sense.
I'm pretty full.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to eat this with this.
I'm the queen of burping. I should be on a burp competition. Yum. There's a different one. Maybe it's different.
Oh man, fuck.
You got on my pillow.
Mm. You have napkin?
Mm-mm.
My bad.
Okay. Go for my water. Normally we don't eat like this, but you know, we're on a mini staycation. Why not just splurge? Fuck the diet. What diet? As long as you're not drinking purified water, that's all that matters. Ooh. If you guys haven't tried this yet, Cheetos, if you want to sponsor us. Just kidding. They're fucking bomb. Like, it changes the Cheez-It game. You know that crunch? It just like melts in your mouth. Oh my gosh. And that jalapeno. Fuck, this is bomb. I don't even know why we got ranch and barbecue and ketchup. Thought it would just be cool to put up as like, oh look what we had. This one's not bad. A Monterey Jack chicken. Not sure what we can do for our next mukbang. I'm thinking about making a Bila's sauce, seafood boil sauce. Do a shrimp boil. That'll be exciting. This frosty can of pristine Australian mountain water won't just refresh your body, it will murder your thirst. You know? I'm down for my thirst to be murdered. Death to plastic. Exactly. Like a little puppy. So tiny. Anything delivered?
Yeah. Your food is. We got more food.
We just got more food being delivered. I think we're getting Asian chicken salad. I'm really stuffed, but
You want to go grab it?
we have to go down.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Can we call the hotel service to bring it?
No. All right, let's pause this. Both go. Okay, hold on. We're gonna go get more food. Pausing this and we'll be right back. Alright, we went and got our food, but we're too full to continue this.
Yep.
We hope you guys enjoyed our first mukbang. Yeah. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Hold on. Where's my...
Hello.
Are we closing the shop?